Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, then welcome to the channel. What have we got? I'm going to show you what we got right here. On the side, this thing here. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a box. Let's get it open. It is one of these. No, it's not. It's one of these. It's a double gas burner. As you know, if you are a follower of this channel, if you're not, you're going to find out, is we use this in the winter most of the time. We have induction hob for the summer, or when we're on hookup, or when we just generally full of power. So Mrs. H has to cook on this most of the time. And I'll tell you what, she actually manages to cook whole dinners, like proper roast dinners and stuff, on one burner. I don't know how she does it. No microwave, nothing like that. So I splashed out and got her a double. So now technically she's got 3 burners. So let's have a quick look at this, and then Mrs. H will cook some dinner on it and give her opinion on it as well. And here it is. It's basically just a double version of the other one. So you've got a gas canister goes in here. Portable gas canisters, you know the type. Gas canister goes in here, but it also can fit onto a camping gas bottle as well. So yeah, that's basically it. So it's going to go sit over here. There you go, bingo mass. It fits. Look at that, 3 burners. Oh, I can't wait till she gets cooking tonight. Comes with this little adapter thing as well to add your gas bottle to, but we won't be using that, so I'll chuck that in the drawer. I don't think we'll ever use that, so that can go in there. We'll just use the butane cans as we do. And this is also going to be good in the summer as well when we're at campsites and we're outside and we can just take it outside and use it, so it's really great. We've been using the single portable one for near on 3 years now, never had a problem with it. Plenty of ventilation in here and all that stuff before you get concerned. Max air fan sucking out over there, you've got a door over there we can open, blah blah blah. Never had an issue, and I don't expect to have an issue with this one either. I've loaded my cartridges. Nice. Look at that. Bingo mass! I've got to say,
what?
That's a huge pair.
It's good, isn't it? It's like loads of space. I think there's more space for pans on here than there is on the induction.
That's not bad, is it?
Yeah.
Look at the size of the blooming pot you got on there.
I know, it's big pots. So yeah, and actually you can bring it down really, really low. It looks like it's almost off, but there's the tiniest little flame. That was a bit stiff to get on that side, but then I've got a dodgy shoulder, so I could be just weak.
Well, just new, innit? Probably.
But yeah.
Yeah, we use, wouldn't it?
But yeah, I mean, like, yeah, it's good.
Awesome.
So yeah, might make life a bit easier. We will see. Won't stop the washing up though, there'll still be loads of that.
There'll be more washing up now. So we're pretty impressed by this. It's this make. There are other makes, of course. It's about 60 centimetres long, about 28 centimetres deep. This worktop's a metre, so it works pretty well for us. I'm just cooking myself up some breakfast. We find the flame on it is better than the single one. It's really, really good. And so far, gas canisters are lasting well. So I'm just cooking myself up some breakfast. Nice breakfast omelette-o, if you will. And there's plenty of space to put 2 pans on, as you saw. Also notice it's pretty sturdy as well. Pretty well made. All the knobs are pretty, you know, definite, strong. It feels good. It feels like it will last. Yumsy, yumsy. Nice cheesy omelette-o. So it uses these gas canisters, which you can buy pretty much anywhere, pretty cheap. Amazon's your best friend for that. We get these from Home Bargains when they're in stock. You get like 4 for, I think about £4.50 or something, or £4, something like that, about £1 each. But they do go out of stock in the winter, so if you're doing that, you need to stock up in the summer, or like I said, Amazon. There you are. Not much more to say about it, really. That's a really cheap way of getting a double gas burner into your van without any of the nonsense of rigging up all the plumbing and all of that stuff. So there you go. Not much more to say. We love it. Anyway, hope that video was informative for you. God bless you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Here's a jingle. Oh, and forgot to say, for the 2 of us, and that's cooking meals most evenings and breakfast most mornings, we get through about 4 canisters a week. I don't know what's going on over there. Anyway, bye.
We'll ride these roads forever. Side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. turn we take. This van called Amazing Race, no chains will break.